the countries involved and for its people, and for us to really ensure that our future is not ridden with conflict, but has a completely different, that our future generations can live in an area which is not which is at peace with Israel. It does not ask geography to take its place.
دونوں ملکوں کے وزرائے اعظم بیٹھ سکتے ہیں ڈنر پہ, یہ حقیقت ہوگی.
دیکھیے, مقصد یہ ہے کہ آپ نے کیا لیگیسی چوز کرنی ہے. مجھے یہ پتہ ہے کہ آج پاکستان میں جو وزیر اعظم ہیں, جو اس سے پہلے ہیں اور جو آگے آئیں گے, کیونکہ میں پولیٹیکل پارٹیز میں ہم آہنگی ہے کہ وہ انڈیا کے ساتھ تعلقات کو نارملائز کرنا چاہتے ہیں, وہ ٹورڈز نیگوشیٹڈ solutions کرنا چاہتے ہیں. So I'm not saying this for the current, I'm saying it for posterity, that all prime ministers of Pakistan, all political parties of Pakistan, all people of Pakistan, all institutions of Pakistan would like to resolve disputes and go towards normalcy. Now we are not in the business of wanting to either blackmail anyone or to blackface anyone or to try and deny our geography. Now India currently seems to be in the throes of that, right? So I hope they have learned their lessons from history, from their behavior in the last 15 years, and realize that there's no way out but to settle. And secondly, I want to say this both in English and in Urdu. یہ جو ٹیررزم کا ڈرامہ ہمارے ساتھ رچایا جاتا ہے نا, آپ کیا quantify? What are you trying to normalize? What is India trying to normalize for the world today? That Pakistan is the guarantor of India's internal security, that if India is not capable of any security and has security lapses, it has the right to launch missiles. Does that give Pakistan the same right? So when Pakistan has a terrorist incident in our geographical boundaries, is the world authorizing Pakistan to launch missile strikes into our nuclear neighbor? Is this what we're trying to normalize over here? Clearly not. So when it comes to terrorism is a problem which this region faces, which the entire world faces, right? The only way out of it is through dialogue and to look at it as a common threat through rogue elements to normal states. But if a state decides to be a rogue state and says we don't comply by Security Council resolutions, we have no treaty obligations also. Indus Water Treaty, we are at liberty to get out, even though you are still under those treaty obligations. So now what do you want? Climate disputes. So, it's remarkable that this trajectory can only lead to the conflagration of more conflict, and that's not something that Pakistan chooses for itself or for the people of India. And we should be very, very clear that we are not on that path, and we will encourage India to also come to a path which negotiated settlement, dialogue can lead us to, good dividends.